Our story today is Our Earth by Anne Rockwell. Our Earth, written and illustrated by Anne Rockwell. Published by Voyager Books Harcourt, Inc. Our Earth is where I live. It's a big round globe. It has a frozen North Pole at the top and an icy, cold South Pole at the bottom. Our Earth was shaped by water, fire, ice, and living things. It is always changing, much too slowly for us to see. Once our Earth was covered with warm water. Some dinosaurs lived in its warm and ferny swamps. Then our Earth turned cold. Huge sheets of slowly moving ice called glaciers crept across the Earth and wore rocks smooth. Glaciers are still moving in places on our Earth. The biggest pieces of land on Earth are continents. Their shorelines meet the sea. There's North America, and there's Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean on both sides. Islands are smaller pieces of land that rise up out of the sea. Some islands are born when volcanoes erupt below the sea. Hot lava cools, and over time, it turns to soil where green things can grow. Some islands are coral reefs that grow and grow until they poke above the water, and birds bring seeds to them. Water gushing up from the ground in rain and melted snow fill streams, ponds, and lakes. Streams flow into small rivers, which flow into bigger ones. At the top it says little streams. Then coming down there's a small river, a big river on the left, and a bigger river on the right. There's an arrow pointing to the sea. Nothing can stop water from finding its way. Some rivers dry up and stop flowing, but some empty into the salty sea. The land on our Earth has rounded hills that enclose green valleys. There are many forests on our Earth. Rainforests are full of flowers and birds and monkeys jumping through green leaf trees. There are hot, sandy deserts where lizards live and prickly cacti grow. There are dark, damp caves that go far down into the earth. There are tall canyons carved by years and years of rushing water. There are high, snow-capped mountains reaching up to the clouds in the sky. Our big, round Earth is very beautiful. It is my home and yours. The end.